Hello everyone, my name is Carlos and this is my presentation and submission for the PixelPad game jam KodeKiddo. Okay, so I made a space shooter game where the story is in the far future and the world's being invaded by aliens. So as a representative of the Indonesian country, you are going to board your spaceship and fight those aliens basically. So yeah, here we go. Oh, that's kind of bad. It's just a simple game I made with kind of a limited resource and idea, so yeah, sorry for the loud noise though. It just happens. You move with WASD and you shoot with E, but you can change it to like spacebar if you want, but because I'm recording with one hand, I have to use one hand only, so I'm changing it to the E, yeah. And when you die, there's a game over screen, like your score is here, and you can press spacebar to play again. Yeah, like that. The sound effects is very loud, just a warning, because yeah, it just plays that sound effect like that, so there's nothing I can do. Okay, I think that's all for my presentation. I'm sorry if there's like something that I said mistakenly, or I'm just not really that good enough for this presentation, but I'll try my best. So yeah, thank you.